Yeah, oh, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel on uh, some AI's product I would like to share with you, right? And their new product coming up this week also is called AI ebook suite, right? So basically, AI ebook suite is an all-in-one software you can actually create AI ebook, kick storybook, puzzle, crossword, right? And all this can be done with one single AI tools, right? So in front of you, you can see this is a sales special AI ebook suite, right? So this can create, publish, and sell limited high demand bestseller ebook and free book. So imagine today you want to create an ebook, you can just key in a few things, just select a niche and key in a few keywords, and you're able to generate ebook which is ready together with the cover to publish to the Amazon and some others platform. Right? So it can actually do in 100 different languages and sell them on Amazon, easy, eBay in less than 60 seconds, right? So how simple is that? You don't have to go through using a lot of tools, right, to create the ebook content, outline, and also create the images, right? All this is all done with one single tools like this, right? So it can actually earn up to 157 per day. It don't require any experience, zeros, manual work. Also, right, no writing, no fund investment as well. Right? So look at this, and this is a all-in-one is a software as a software you can just log in, use any internet to. It's a web-based software. You can easily uh, 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 key in a few thing and can easily get generated on this one. So I've never seen before AI technology allow us to dominate any platform with our ebook and non-writings required from the end is messaged by a link with the each ebook and flipbook. So all-in-one monetization for each ebook and generate no extra work on you. And so imagine you publish you can publish an ebook or any topic and just sell it on Amazon and generate a lot of profit just without any hard work, right? Okay, so take a look into there's some testimonial given here, right? And you can look at this also, right? And you can even create all these digital content, right? And you can sell it in Fiverr or any freelancer's website, right? And create a side income, right? Okay, so this is some of testimonial here and how actually all these people is earning by creating using Midjourney, right? To actually create some of the images content and also just per AI, right? And also copy AI like site, right? His clip is earnings 195 per client, right? And charging 97 monthly for his resume, right? Right. And this is you can get this and nominate any platform, right? And here is some of the earnings testimonial earning proof, right? You can earn up to this number, right? And we have also just need require three simple click. Step one is just log in to the software. It's a web-based software. If we once you purchase, it giving you a login detail and can just log in and enter, pick any keyword you like, select any niche you desire. That's all you need to do and publish and profit, right? So within 90 seconds, you have a job bring ebook, flipbook, crossword, keysbook, and more, right? Whereby you can actually use this as your own content or resell it right as a like, right? Okay, so this has a tool, different kinds of maybe different kinds of the so-called product or content you can generate Facebook, crossword, puzzle, keysbook, and e-cover, ebook as well, right? So yeah, so we just quickly will be able to create something like this. It's really nice ebook, right? And it's really fantastic thing, right? So get ebook sold and nominate any platform, not just pay once of money. So this is no monthly recurring fee. It's one-time fee, right? You can actually enjoy just pay one time and enjoy for the rest of your life. Can create unlimited ebook, free book, whichever you like, right? So this is the creator of this product, right? And we have also some of the they're also giving some bonuses together, right? And yeah, this is some bonuses I would like to show you here, right? Some of the feature here is a cloud-based software suite. It's a 7 unit to create ebook, free book, and also and this is with ChatGPT OpenAI without writing a single word and done from you professional ebook, free book template and customize design layout in second, right? It can auto generation system built in. Monetize and share an ebook in one click and create stunning ebook, free book cover. So they are totals more than 20 feature and come along, right? So you can get this for one-time price, right? And you don't have to pay the clearing fee and three only simple step you need to follow, right? That's all you need to do, and this is quite awesome. It's awesome AI tools, I would say, right? If you are using ebook can become a very good lead manner. You can actually uh, get a lot of lead, right? By selling the ebook or by giving away the ebook as a free, right? Right. So there's something I want to share with you. These bonuses come along 3,000 ChatGPT prompt, and we have the over 5,000 vertical video. Learn for you ChatGPT email prompt and also ChatGPT SMS prompt. Product launch masterclass. I think it's quite a good thing, right? It's kind of power of your strategy with step-by-step plan for launching your product, right? So okay, so this is a good thing to have, right? It's bonus 5 and on guide to the make 10K in 90 days, right? Etc. Right? So total they have 12 bonuses and bundled together under this fantastic product, right? So this come with the 30 day money back guarantee, right? And yeah, so there's something you need to write on it, right? As what you are about to access, right? Okay, so all this is all under this product, what you'll be getting here, right? And also with one single price, right? So total value is over 9,000, but you just only need to pay once for life, right? So this is what you're going to pay, yeah, right? So what's the price? 1726.97, right? One-time price, and you can get this for one-time price, right? Right. So quite so very cool software, right? And yeah, you can get a $3 off also, right? Yeah. Yeah, so with this purchase, if you buy this software, this ebook software, the software to create ebook, you will also be getting my exclusive bonuses, right? Where I've been giving away the bonuses. If you buy AI ebook suite via the link below my video, you're going to get my local job portal with agency light, user talk live chat support with agency light, inbox guide with agency light, local business contact form with agency light, WP local lead chapter link page, um, importer, foodie agency, and some of the uh, bonuses about social media marketing method, right? We got to learn some method about how to do a social media marketing, influencer marketing software, YouTube advertising, and copywriting, black book, and also affiliate marketing success. Uh, uh, this is a tutorial in DG commission, how we can make $100 per day online by using by this is a brand new software. It's a complete training courses, right? You'll be getting, and also you'll be getting my 5,000 just copy and paste prompt, right? Some other software that come along with this also, right? I'm giving away to you. So total, there are close to 100 bonuses in the bundle we'll be getting, and I'm also getting some of the free content for the marketing content, graphic, stock images, and WordPress uh, theme, and HTML template, graphic, SVG images, premium music. You can use it for to create your own video, right? And 7,000 premium clip up. So all this is going to get together if you buy AI ebooks so while learning below my video. So yeah, remember this on time cost, right? So before I end this video, let me quickly also show you uh, give you a quick demo of this software, right? And yeah, there's a demo video here, right? Let's have a look into here, right? And this is will give you a view how easy you can actually use this software, right? Give me a second, right? Let's go for the demo video, right? Okay, yep, so here you go, right? Just click here and I'll make myself, so enjoy. So you enter your ebook name, keyword, daily health, tip, right? So fantastic tools, right? Create your ebook, right? So your affiliate link, you can have your, you can use your ebook to sell to embed affiliate link into ebook, and you can, so people can actually when they read your ebook, they will click on the link and they purchase anything you promote inside the ebook and also, right? So that's the idea behind, right? So pretty cool thing, right? So you can see, you can click ebook like this instantly without you. Actually, it's use a lot of different tools, right? It's a free book, right? Really nice looking, right? Cool thing, right? So that is how powerful the AI, like, AI transforming the way we actually create this ebook. Right? In the past, we may spend using different tools together to generate the e-cover, the outline, the content, topic of the ebook. But right now, you don't have to do that. Everything is just uh, drag and drop and just a few click and just key in few keyword or just right, you're able to do. Right. So you can create by from blog posts, fantastic thing, right? Daily help tip, right? So you can elite the content, you can design, you can elite the the using the template, you can edit, and also you can add photo and yeah, can add the photo generated by the AI to the ebook, right? To make it a more attractive presentation. So yeah, so there's some idea here, ebook here. So let me scroll a bit and what else we have in this software. Right, quickly show to you here. So I will play this demo video in below this my video, and this yeah, you can create your coursework also with this, right? And after you can actually share this coursework to increase engagement for a visitor. Right? So so pretty cool thing, right? Yeah, so this is the whole idea about AI ebook. So I hope you like this product and how you don't mind to give yourself a try, right? There's a lot of value come around with this, right? At least you find a way how to create the ebook in an easier way by using the power of the AI, right? So that's all for today's sharing. So do feel free to click the link below this video and it will bring you to this sales page and just click on any of the buy button here, right? And you can after you purchase, you are able to get access to the software, right? You'll be getting a login credential, a web-based link, right? And together, you'll be also getting all my bonuses via the download member pages, right? Now. That's all right. I see you in the next video and yep, see you soon. Okay, bye.